Central Sand has 13 trucks that go out every day, and they're cleaning sewer lines, either using high-pressure water or mechanical cutting devices. They're out there every day, 8 hours a day, in neighborhoods, backyards. We're really proud that we're reducing overflows, and over the last few years, it's been very consistent. Our crews are constantly working to achieve our lowest numbers to date.
I think they have pride. They see the records, they see the overflow records going down every month, and they know they're a part of it. So they work hard and continue to strive towards our goals.
We're very proud of our staff and the work they do. Often it's a thankless job with very little recognition.
Pride in that recognition and pride in our overall score that we've maintained. Our customer service rating is very high, nearly perfect every month.
A lot of our stuff isn't necessarily planned. We're back on our heels responding to what these guys find today we may be working on tomorrow. It's a culture. It's developing a culture.
Now every line is on a schedule, whether it's ever had a stoppage or not.
We're absolutely sure that we're touching and cleaning everything 18 inches and below.
Our crews know that we're here for the public, that we work for them.
When somebody calls, they're in a dire situation and they're looking for some help, and we try to take it very seriously and get them the help that they need.
We always have 2 guys on call, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year.
24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. You'll get a live person on the line, and our response time goal is 30 minutes. We're constantly optimizing our cleaning schedules by geographically dispatching trucks in routes that minimize excess driving. We have over 300 miles of easements, which are sewer mains that run through customers' property, creating accessibility issues. Crews have to drag hydro hoses through those yards, or turn rod and intermediate manholes to clean lines that are otherwise unable to be maintained properly. This takes time and physical effort to accomplish. Central Sand has a commitment to protect the public health and environment by preventing sewer overflows.
That is what we do the best, prevent overflows.
They're self-motivated, they work hard every day.
And that's what prevents overflows. That's our commitment.